What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. An early update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil. Starting with natural gas, I was getting lots of messages from traders that what to expect as price is now broken below the rejection box. Now, most of you have figured out what to expect from here. Now, as mentioned in my yesterday's video, that we had a valid double bottom pattern and then the price opened below in gap. So I entered here at the better price, like I mentioned in my last video, and now price is pushing lower. We had a good double bottom that happened in the area of value. With that, we had a divergence in the RSI. Now, looking at the perfect condition, I was expecting a price to push higher, and that is what we call trading. We need to have a stop loss and take profit both. Now, at this point, I don't know what's going to happen. It might hit my stop loss, and once the price pushes lower, hit my stop loss, I will be out of this trade, and then I'll start to look for my pullback entry bearish only till we are in the level below in green, and that is a new level which I'm going to mention in few seconds. Now, at this point, once we are completely broken below this low, looks like we will have a trend continuation towards the downside, and then price will head lower. And once the price pushes lower, we have a good momentum, as you can see here on daily time frame. The candle has not closed yet, but once the candle is closed, in that case, I will remove this yellow zone and I'll use the zone above as my trend continuation zone bearish, which I'm going to mark, and I will also mention and send to the members once I'll see a complete break and close of this candle and then the other candle, and then I use the zone above and mark the zones again for my next possible trade. So once the price pushes lower, the next zone to look at it is here on Owanda 1.959, that goes to 2.059. so a zone is quite far. All I'm looking at a good momentum now below this low. Once we have that, I'll start to look for my pullback entry bearish and only going to take sell trade till we are in the zone here, or till we have a dramatic push up above 50 and 20 EMA. So these are the conditions now I'll be looking at further. Let's see how it goes. I'll keep you guys informed for the next conditions. Now here on capital.com, we are now broken below the zone. The low has been broken, and once I see one more red candle, I will use this zone as my trend continuation zone bearish to take my sell trade with the pullbacks, bearish engulfers, and keep on taking shots. And the next big level, which is right here 1.545, that goes to 1.676. It is a big level. If we are broken below this zone, it is very important. I want to see at least two red candles close below this zone to use my zone as my trend continuation zone bearish, and then I will keep on taking shots till we are in this zone here in green for my next buy counter trades. And we have a likely chance, once we are broken below, the price will keep on falling in a trend continuation towards this level I've just mentioned. So keep looking for that. Once we are conditioned, we are good to go for our trade. Now, I know the losing trades are shitty feeling, but that is the reality of trading. We had some nice streak of winning trade, as you can see right here. All these are my winning trades. Some of them are sent in the priority group, and then we had a losing streak here, as you can see, 1 and 2 trades. And if you have a right amount of stop loss, if you are under your risk capital, then these losses will not hurt you, and a good lesson to learn to stay under your risk capital so that you can able to grab a next good opportunity. Next, we have NEMEX. NEMEX now in the level of support here on this platform. Right here, this level I've mentioned in my last video, which is 2.018, that goes to 2.169. Now, it is not a major zone, but a good level. And I'm not expecting a reversal here, but I'm expecting a little pullback, and then I'll start to look for my pullback entry bearish. So we have no entry condition, but we can expect a pullback if we have a bearish engulfers or double bottom in this area. And after that pullback, I will start to look for my pullback entry bearish trades. I'm only going to take short trades till we are in the zone below. Right here, that is a major level, and that is quite far. For the price to get to this level, it needs to be broken below this minor level to continue to fall in the continuation towards this level. I'll keep you guys informed once the price start to make that move. Next, we have gold. Gold is now in between the zones and still ranging. Now we have two levels. So the level below, which is a new level right here, 1972.53, that goes up to 1987.77. Now if the price falls dramatically, in that case, I'll start to look for my aggressive entries like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern. Pin bars to 382 candle bullish is also one of my reasons to enter. Now if the price pulls up, in that case, I will start to look for my bearish trades, which is 2071.19 that goes up to 2078.04, from where I'll start to look for my bearish trade with bearish engulfers, double top, inverted hammers, 382 candles bearish. Now on smaller time frame, here on 4-hour time frame, we are now above 50 and 20 EMA. All I want to see a break above this high. Once we are broken above this high, it is a likely chance that price will now push up in a trend with a pullback, and I will only look for my pullback entry bullish once we are broken above this high. That is likely because looking at the silver, it is pushing up, and it is a likely chance silver will push the gold higher as well. So silver is also above 50 and 20 EMA and broken above this previous high. All I want to see a valid pullback entry with a push up pullback followed by bullish engulfer, must be above 50 EMA and 20 EMA, and then I will go long for my trades. As now we are above all the EMAs, I'm only looking for buy trades here for silver. For gold, exactly the same. I want to see a complete break above this high to take my next buy trades. Not taking any sell trades for gold as long as we are above 50 and 20 EMA, both for silver and gold. So at this point, price is now inside of level of major resistance. I've been mentioning that from last couple of weeks, which is to 78.06 that goes up to 79.97. Now at this point, all I want to see a condition within this area, bearish engulfers in this zone or double top pattern in this zone, inverted hammers in this zone, or 382 candle bearish in this zone. So once I see a condition, this is now my selling area. We also have, it's now pushed lower, as mentioned in my last video, that we are now in a level of major resistance, and now we can expect a good pullback. Now I've entered few pips below. If you are my student, we had a 382 candle. We also had a bearish engulfer, but I entered at this 382 candle few pips below, and that hit my 1.421 take profit easily, and now price has rejected from 50 EMA. Now at this point, if we have a next candle as a bullish engulfing candle, in that case we will have another buy signal, and price will likely push up at least 180, which is the number right here, and then we can get a possible double top pattern, and then price can likely fall again. So if I see a condition like bullish engulfer, I will go long again till this high, and then I'll look for my bearish trades if we have a rejection here with conditions only. If there is no condition, if we've broken above this high, I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish for next level. Or if we have no condition here, let's say the price just fall to 50 EMA. In that case, I will look for exact conditions like bullish engulfing pattern. All I want to see a condition above 50 EMA. Doesn't matter if the price hit 50 EMA and then forms a condition. All I'm looking at are bullish pullback entries above 50 EMA. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at for commodities. Keep an eye here, enter your trades with conditions. Once we have conditions, we are good to go for our trades. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always email me at support@moneymarkets.net. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.